artists. Join me as we draw Peppa Pig, and she's all dressed up as a juicy red apple. How silly and fun is that? Let's get started. Peppa loves playing dress up, and today she's ready to become the cutest apple in the orchard. Apples come in many colors: red, green, and yellow. But Peppa picked red today. Look, Peppa Pig has opened her eyes. She enjoys glancing around. Did you know apples are a great snack? Peppa loves munching on sweet apple slices. Peppa Pig loves costumes and enjoys pretending to be different things, like vegetables or fruits. Peppa's apple costume might even have a cute green leaf on top. Do you think? Apples grow on trees and take months to become big and ripe. There are over 7,500 types of apples around the world. Imagine Peppa trying all of them. Peppa and her family often visit the market, where she might pick out some yummy apples. Awesome! Peppa looks so cute in her apple costume. It's time to make her costume pop with color. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. An apple costume is perfect for Peppa since it's shaped just like her round little tummy. Peppa Pig teaches us to have fun while being healthy. Just like eating apples. In some cultures, apples are a symbol of love and friendship. Just like Peppa and her friends. If Peppa could choose a fruit for George, what do you think it would be? Maybe a blueberry? Do you like Peppa's apple costume? I think she looks adorable. Have you ever dressed up in a costume? What did you wear? Would you like to go apple picking with Peppa? What fun things would you do there? Do you think Peppa's apple costume will make her friends laugh and smile? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. How do you think Peppa feels wearing this costume? Happy, silly, or both? Great job! Our Peppa Pig in an apple costume looks super sweet and creative. Show our drawing. They'll think it's as cute as you do. Thank you for joining us here. See you next time for another fun adventure.